You wanna show them? You wanna show them? Let's do the intro first. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Okay. Okay, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. Okay. Ha ha. Say hi. Say hi. So, hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Samide here today, and I have a special guest with me. Hi, boo boo. Yes. Show them. Show them. Yeah. So I have my baby with me today. His name is Kian, and today we are having a haul. It's a baby haul. Okay. Are you done? Yeah. Yes. So before we start, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Okay. And if you guys want to see him more on my channel, just let me know down below in the comment section. And yeah, so today we are having a haul. It's gonna be a baby haul. So I have the rack here and all his clothes. So I'm gonna just take them one at a time. And most of the items are from Old Navy and Gap, and I have a few things from Amazon. So yeah, okay, I think he's ready. Do you wanna show them? Do you wanna show them what you have? You wanna show them? No? Yeah? Say hi. Say hi. Which one you wanna take first? Oh, okay. You want the shoes first? Okay, let's show them. You wanna show them? So I guess we're gonna start with this one. So this is the first outfit. Yeah. So like I said, guys, most of the things, most of the clothes are from Old Navy and Gap. So this one is a set. Came together like this tee. It's a onesie. All of them, this is 6 to 12 months. Most of them, to not say, I think, yeah, most of them are 6 to 12 months, and then I think I have some just 12 months, and I have a few 9 to 12 months. I'm not sure, but I will let you know for each of them. So this one came with this. It's like this overall. No, not the camera, please. Thank you. Okay. Okay, let's show them. Here, I'm gonna show your shoes first. Look at this, guys. Isn't it the cutest thing? So cute. So this is from Old Navy, and it's 12 to 18 months. Isn't it cute, guys? Yeah, is it cute? So yeah, guys, so this is the first pair of shoes. So I really love these ones. Yeah. And yeah, so this is the onesie. It came with this overall. Isn't it the cutest? Baby's clothes are so cute. So those are the first items. So I'm not gonna show you guys him wearing them, but if you want me to have a video like a try on haul for him, I can do that. So just let me know if you guys want to see it, and I can do it. So today is just a haul. I will just show you what I got. So yeah, and this set was also from Old Navy. So this is the first one. Okay, gonna put this back. And it was 6 to 12 months. So next item is this cute overall, but this one is long. It's like a jeans, long jeans. Yeah, so it's this one. So this one is from Baby Gap, and it's 6 to 12 months. So I'm gonna pair it with this cute shirt. It's a plain shirt that I got from Amazon, but it's from the brand Burt's Bees Baby. So it's like a tee, plain tee. It's cotton, and this one is 6 to 9 months, and with the V-neck. I don't know if you guys can see this. It's a V-neck. Be careful, my love. Okay. So yeah, so the tee is 6 to 9 months, and the overall is 6 to 12 months. So next, it's an overall again. Most of them, I mean, just one more. So this is an overall again. So cute. This one is from Baby Gap too, and it's 6 to 12 months. This is this like dark denim jeans, I mean overall, really cute. I can even use this onesie with this one. So yeah, it has 2 pockets on the back. Look at this boy, has pockets, and 2 pockets the front, and has a little front top pocket here. So it's so cute. Like, yeah. So yeah, that's the third item. I'm trying to do it really quick, guys. I'm sorry. Next is this one. It's a set. It's from Old Navy. Has this cute onesie inside. It's a baby blue. Okay. 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 You wanna show them? You can stand up. Show them. Show them. Okay. So like I was saying, so it's a baby blue onesie with this cute overall. This one is not jean, it's cotton. Not the camera, please, sir. Thank you. Okay. No? You don't want it? Yeah. Okay. So this is that, guys. This is the navy navy overall. It's not jeans. It has like a big pocket here. You can't see it, but yeah. So I thought it was cute. I got it. Let's do this quick, guys. I don't know for how long I'm gonna be able to do it. So next item, it's this cute romper. It's a dark gray. It's 6 to 12 months, short sleeve, and it's cotton. It's from Baby Gap. Okay, not the camera. Jesus. Play with your laptop. Thank you. So you can open it here. Yeah. And at the bottom. So like I said, guys, if you guys want me to do a try on haul for you, it's not gonna be easy, but I can try to do it. So just let me know down below in the comment section. So this is this cute romper, really cute, and it's really stretchy. So yes. Oh, it has two pockets. I mean, it has the front pockets too. He's trying to go to the camera for me. Okay. Next, let me show you guys this cute, shoes. Isn't it the cutest? Look at that. Oh, it's from Baby Gap. So cute. It's 12 to 18 months. So yeah. And with this cute light blue jeans romper. It's 6 to 12 months, and it's from Baby Gap too. Okay. So yes, guys, almost done, boo-boo. Let's take the jeans. See, someone has jeans. As you can see, he has jeans. But this one are short, and these long jeans with this dark denim, very stretchy. And it's from Baby Gap denim. It's 6 to 12 months. Front pockets and back pockets. So it's cute. I can either pair it with this cute shirt. It's a plain plain shirt. This one is from the children's place. It's just a plain shirt with this little pocket here. This one is 9 to 12 months. It's just a plain white shirt, or with this cute little tee that says change the world. Change the world. This cute tee is from Old Navy, and it's 6 to 12 months. Don't even think about it, please, sir. this cute shirt is 6 to 12 months from Old Navy, and it says change the world. So I can pair it with the jeans or this shirt. So jeans. Okay, I'm waiting for you. Tell me when you're done. So next outfit is this cute camel outfit. And it's so cute. This is cream. I would say cream. I think it says ivory, but it's like, I think it's cream. Onesie with this dinosaur, camel dinosaur, and this cute little pants. It's a set. It's a two-piece set. It's from Old Navy, and it's 6 to 12 months. Okay. And look, guys, look at this. Look at these little sandals. It's so cute. This is from Old Navy too. It's 12 to 18 months. Isn't it so cute? So I can pair it with, oh god, no, boo boo, no, 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 no. Give me the hand. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, mommy loves you too, okay? Do you want to read your book? The I Love You book. I love you when you are scared. I love you when you are brave. I love you when I'm away. I love you when we are cuddled up close. I love you when you sleep. I love you when you don't sleep. Yeah, I do. I love you when you are sick. I love you when you feel better. Yeah. I love you when you are stinky. You're stinky. I love you when you're squeaky clean. I love you when we cook. I love you when we eat. I love you when you give me kisses. I love you when you need hugs. Most of all, I love you just the way you are. We all need to be loved. There is enough love for everyone to share. Remember to always love yourself. Love, Todd. Do you love mommy? Oh, guys. So yeah, this cute. Okay. Here. Sorry. Gonna take something else. I have 4 more items. This cute little pink onesie with Tom. Look, so cute. I thought it was so cute. Really nice quality. So yeah, guys. Yeah, it's baby gap 6 to 12 months. Okay, you can have it. Next is this cute Oh, I think I said cute for everything. It's this mustard onesie. This one is from Old Navy, and it's 6 to 12 months. Ah, what is it? Has this cute little buttons. Okay. So I can pair it with this overall too. I think it would be cute together. So yeah guys, it's cotton. All of the onesies are cotton. And the last item is this cute Levi's. This cute Levi's shirt. Yeah. I got it from Amazon, but it's from the brand Levi's. It's 12 months, so it's really cute. The Levi's tag. It's not the fake one, I guess. So yeah. Because I cannot sit on the couch, I had to sit on the floor to film this video, guys, because like you can see, he moves a lot. He touches everything that he sees. And yeah, let's say bye, boo boo. Were you happy to be on mommy's channel? Were you happy to be on mommy's channel, boo boo? No? No? Okay, so we're gonna close the video, guys. So if you guys want to see more of him on my channel, just let me know down below in the comment section and I can do that. Yeah. Yes. Do you want to close the video, mommy? So guys, I hope you like this. I hope. Ow! So guys, I hope you enjoy. You sleepy boy. You sleepy. You sleepy. You sleepy. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy?